Welcome to yet another episode of Aerones News and Updates with your host, Aerones Clavins. We've got a packed lineup for you today, from major funding milestones to exciting tech developments and upcoming events. Let's dive right in. We're thrilled to announce that Aerones has secured $62 million in oversubscribed financing round. This fresh capital will power our global expansion, AI and robotics R&D, manufacturing, scale-up, and predictive maintenance innovations for the wind energy industry. This funding milestone follows a record-breaking year for Aerones. Our revenue nearly tripled, operations expanded significantly, and we proudly opened a new US hub in Dallas, Texas. Our visual inspection studio just got a major upgrade. You can now view the exact same location on your turbine blade from both inside and outside simultaneously. We call it External Meets Internal, Blade Inspections 2.0. Speaking of turbine care, summer is the perfect time for cleaning. Check out our amazing before and after results. If your turbines could use a refresh, book a cleaning service today on our website. Or just shoot us an email at sales@aerones.com. We're launching a brand new Aerones TechTalk series, our deep dive into the future of turbine tech. The first episode is now live on our YouTube channel. Be sure to check it out. We're also expanding rapidly across the US and looking for great people to join our team. If you or someone you know wants to be part of a company that's changing the wind industry, hit the link in the description to apply. Or refer a friend today. From the microscopic to the monumental, we've made big strides in our facilities. On the micro level, we've launched the Aerones Lab, where we're now testing materials and coatings down to the smallest particles. This will help us push the boundaries of durability and performance in turbine maintenance. On the macro side, we've expanded our testing facility, now featuring 4 full-size turbine blades. This gives our robotics operators hands-on training and allows us to run continuous quality tests across a wide range of manufacturers. Summer may be heating up, but we're already looking ahead to the Fall Expo season. Catch us at Husum Wind in Germany from September 16th to 19th, booth 4B20 in Hall 4. Then we're off to the Colloque National de France des Éoliennes en Paris, October 15th and 16th at booth C26. If you're attending either event, stop by and say hi. Thanks for tuning in to this edition of Aerones News and Updates. Don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content, insights, and innovations from the world of wind energy. Until next time, stay powered up.